Good morning. My name is Rachel Dirks. I'm Director of Orchestral Studies at Kansas State University, and I'm submitting the following presentation. Are you okay experiencing and coping with adolescent anxiety and depression in the high school music classroom? Recent trends in adolescent mental health have revealed staggering increases in adolescent anxiety, depression, and suicidal behavior. While adolescent anxiety and depression has been on the rise for the past 50 years, recent research suggests these trends are of particular concern as rates of major depressive episodes in adolescents increased by 52% between the years of 2005 and 2017. Simultaneously, the number of emergency department treatments of suicidal attempts and suicidal ideation in adolescents doubled between 2007 and 2015. Most significantly, these mental health concerns have affected the current adolescent population, such that a new generation of youth is now suffering from a cohort effect characterized by continually increased levels of anxiety, stress, and depression. Currently, very little research has been done to examine how teachers perceive and respond to these issues in their classrooms. This presentation is designed to explore these experiences from the perspective of the high school music educator. Since most music educators have the distinct advantage of working with their student populations in specialized ways and for longer periods of time, often for several years, the experiences and insights of these teachers regarding anxiety and depression are insightful and profound. Using research findings from two 2019 qualitative studies, we will explore adolescent anxiety and depression and how it affects the music classroom of today. We will discuss how music teachers have been impacted by the current acceleration of anxiety and depression in teens and how they have evolved their teaching style and their approach to engage all of their students in a positive and meaningful way. Considerations of root causes as well as meaningful strategies for helping students cope with adolescent anxiety and depression in the music classroom will be shared. In addition, implications for the fields of music education and higher education pre-service music education programs will also be discussed. Thank you.